In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Discord's secret countdown and dynamic timestamps. If you want your Discord messages to display a live countdown or automatically adjust event times for every member, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. Discord's dynamic timestamps are perfect for announcements, community events, giveaways, meetings, launches, reminders, and anything else that happens at a specific time. The best part is that Discord automatically displays the correct time based on each person's local time zone, so no one has to manually convert the time. To get started, you'll first need a future Unix timestamp. Discord uses Unix timestamps to generate its dynamic date and time displays, so the first step is deciding the exact date and time for your event. This could be the start of a live stream, a tournament, a meeting, or any future event you want your community to see. Next, open a Unix timestamp conversion website. Once the page loads, enter the date, time, and, if necessary, the exact second for your event. After entering the information, select the option to convert it. The website will generate a Unix timestamp, which is the value you'll use inside your Discord message. Before copying it, double-check that you've entered the correct date and time so your countdown displays accurately. Now it's time to choose the timestamp format you want to use. Discord supports several different display styles. The standard timestamp format shows the date and time in Discord's default style. If you want a live countdown that displays phrases such as "in 2 days" or "in 3 hours," use the relative timestamp format. This is the format most people use when creating countdowns because it automatically updates as time passes. If you prefer a shorter date and time display, you can use the short format. For a more detailed presentation that includes the full date and time, choose the full format instead. Once you've selected the style you want, copy your Unix timestamp and paste it into your Discord message using the appropriate timestamp format. After sending the message, Discord will automatically convert it into a dynamic timestamp. Anyone viewing your message will see the correct time based on their own location, making it ideal for communities with members in different countries. If you don't want a countdown and would rather display a specific event time, simply use one of the standard date and time formats instead of the relative countdown format. This gives you the flexibility to present your event in the style that best fits your announcement. As a final tip, always preview your timestamp before sharing it with your community. If the countdown or event time looks incorrect, it's usually because the original date, time, or time zone was entered incorrectly during the conversion process. Verifying it only takes a moment and helps ensure everyone sees the correct schedule. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,